Our Lady of Visitation Conference. It was formed in the year 1980, and we have around 450 families connected to this parish.
This parish and the Vincent de Paul Society work together for the betterment of the poor people who are in this locality.
We mainly look for the people who are down the poverty line. So our main vision is to educate the children of these families so that the future will be better for them.
I feel educating people is the thing that we can do most to improve the quality of their life.
Some people need education help, some are sick, some need career guidance, some need rehabilitation. So depending on the need of the people, we cooperate and collaborate with Vincent de Paul Society.
2012, we started noon meal in the name of Frederick Ozanam. Every Sunday afternoon, around 12:30, we start giving food for people. The people mainly for aged people who are left from the families where they cannot get their proper food. For the same people, we are offering night feed also. So almost 35 people are getting their noon meal every Sunday at our society.
Every Sunday they give food to the poor people, and they give some ration also that is needed for the week. So that is a great witness that we see whereby people benefit from this.
In our society, the tailoring school is running since 1991, and we target families where there is no income. We advise them about getting educated, technically qualified. So most of the women where there is no husband, they come to the tailoring institute, get educated, they get training for 1 year, and then we are issuing certificates for them.
Another example is free medical camp, where people who cannot afford to go to hospitals, they come here and free of cost they have the checkup, all that. So that is naturally carried out by Vincent de Paul Society.
The camp is organized as free of cost totally. The doctors, they don't charge anything. Moreover, from the beginning itself, we will negotiate with the clinics like you have to give some special discount if there is any medical treatment for these people in future. So what the hospitals do, they normally offer 50% discount from the normal charges for those who attend the camps and get a special card for them.
When people come here for some help, all that, no, we have decided that we will coordinate to Vincent de Paul, because they can identify who is really in need.
Through the society, we identify the right people. We target, we understand where there is actual need, and it is reaching the right people who deserve to get the financial assistance or any prayer assistance and whatever the requirement is. The houses, if you look into that, it will be around 180 or 200 square feet, where 2-3 families will be living in one house. So we go to them, give them all the assistance what we could. So with Teenage with Overseas Conference, we can do better than what we are doing at present.
The society in England and Wales is supporting us so much. We are so much linked with the Vincentians in England and Wales through correspondence, through prayers, exchange of greeting cards. We feel like we are one in the society of St. Vincent de Paul. Still, as time changes, the requirements are also changing.
So Teenage with Overseas Conference, it's about 3 main factors: correspond each other, pray for them, and then financially support them. Normally we take our own funds from the people where we get, it's not much, but when it is under Teenage and the budget is high, we can get a better help for the families, we can improve their life standard. So that is the reason why we are looking for overseas teenagers.